Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is July 18th. I feel like the summer is fucking flying by. But today we're gonna film a vloggy. Just woke up, showered, really threw my hair up, got dressed really quick. My mom's car's in the shop, so I'm going with her to go pick it up from one shop and bring it to another. And then I'm gonna go pick up my friend and we're gonna go to this coffee shop that my one friend works at and we're gonna get some coffees. I can only have decaf coffee, as you guys know, because I can't have caffeine. Well, if you watch my TikToks, you'll know that. I don't know if I've said that on here before, but I can't have caffeine. When I was 10 years old, I stopped drinking caffeine because it started to give me panic attacks. I had chest pains every day for a year. My caffeine consumption probably was high though, because I've always loved coffee. I grew up drinking coffee. And I also drank a lot of like Coke when I was little. I loved Coke. Just a random side note or tangent that I'm going off on. Anyways, last night I went to the Twisters movie premiere in fucking New York City. I actually had a +1 with me, so I brought my mom, and it was so much fun. It was so cool. If you haven't seen the original Twisters movie, or the original Twister movie with Bill Paxton and, oh my gosh, I can't remember the actress's name in the movie, but if you haven't seen the original Twister, like, you are actually missing the fuck out. I grew up watching that movie because I also grew up going to Universal and Disney World because of living in Florida and whatever, and they had the Twister ride and it was so fun. It was like literally like you were in the middle of a tornado. It was like you go in and like you're on a set type of thing. It was so fucking cool. They don't have it anymore, so Universal fuck you. That was my favorite ride ever, but whatever. I'm with mommy now. I changed my shirt. Yeah, I have me mommy's bag as well. Mommy looks very cute.
Hello. I'm wearing a yellow banana outfit.
I feel sick. What are you doing? I'm vlogging.
Oh. We're going to get some coffee or something.
Kind of a while. My mom is gonna get a blueberry cobbler decaf iced latte.
Yeah, I want beignets.
I think I'm gonna get a turkey and cheese. Look how cute it is.
Should I get that too?
A turkey and cheese and sausage.
Should we share?
I'm gonna eat the whole thing.
Oh.
I'm gonna eat that whole thing. I'm starving right now.
Oh.
But yeah, I'll bite a beignet with you, of course. I don't even know if you can see me. The lighting is crazy. Oh, that's just a boob shot. Okay, we all got turkey, egg and cheese breakfast sandwiches. My mommy's got a breakfast sandwich too, and she's got, what kind did you get, Mama?
Blueberry cobbler.
She got a blueberry cobbler. Oh, she got a blueberry cobbler latte. And then this is the sauce for our beignets that we're gonna eat. I know I need to try this. Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you. Beignets look fabulous.
We have strawberry
My coffee's
sauce
delicious, Jordan.
and chocolate sauce.
Like
Okay,
so good.
I know you can't see me, but I got a large decaf. Look how
so
crazy
good.
this coffee looks that she made me. I'm about to get a taste test.
What'd you get?
I got like a caramel iced coffee. It's pretty yummy. I'm gonna give you a review on the beignets.
It is absolutely delicious. Light and fluffy. The sauce is so good. And I've had beignets in New Orleans. These are on point. Delicious.
The chocolate sauce. This is like the softest texture of anything I've ever held.
Lately, when I come over this way, this looks like Greece to me. I love driving over that. Yeah, I just always love that. So,
This was the outfit today. I mean, it's a very simple outfit. I've reworn this a few times. Really just a white t-shirt and some Levi's. Look how pretty it looks. It looks really pretty outside. So now that I'm back home, I have quite a lot of things I need to do. I need to clean my whole room. Well, usually I keep it quite organized, but yesterday I made it a mess before going to the movie premiere, and I emptied my whole makeup bag and just left all the makeup that I didn't want to bring with me, and that was the result of that. Yeah. Have to put all these clothes away. I really truly need to go through my closet again and fully do another clean out. I've like been donating a lot of my clothes because I feel like I'm trying to buy more clothes. I feel like my style has changed a bit like over the years. The dirty ass bong, like hello. But my style has changed a bit over the years, and I don't know, I'm trying to buy better quality pieces that'll like last me longer and stuff like that and whatever. I'm trying to get rid of all like my little ass crop tops and shit, and like it's so strange because I have been losing weight, so it's like you think I'd feel more comfortable, but like I've recently been trying to wear like less scandalous things. Not that I still don't dress like a whore sometimes, which I do, but it's just like a little bit less. So I'm trying to like get some new clothes. Let me know where y'all be buying your clothes from, because I feel like all of like the main fashion brands are like all fast fashion, and they all order from like the same fucking vendor. Okay. It's like 9 o'clock at night now. I'm about to go to the gym, and I'm gonna film some videos after. I guess we're gonna clean my room in the midst of all that. I don't know. Little Benetton on the lips. Hit my cart. And it's time to set sail. I'll see you guys after the gym. I just dropped my keys on the ground. I've been working with like for the past few months, like, oh my god, yeah. No, when I sent it to Skylar literally screamed that they had reached out to me again today for another campaign, and I wanted, okay. Hi Hazel, fuck off. Clock it. Clock it. Good, fuck that bitch. Yeah, they'll usually email me. Okay. Okay, perfect. I shat myself. I was on the phone for a while with my publicist and my friend Sky. Then I started just like thinking about last night and thinking about the premiere and thinking about how cool everything was, and just like how much I just want to talk to my fucking grandma. I'm sad, and I just posted a picture from the premiere, and I'm holding my phone in it, and in the back of my phone I have her in my thing, and I was like looking at the picture, and I'm like, but my grandma is with me in the picture. And then literally just made me start crying, and then I started texting her number that's obviously out of service. And you know, I'm trying to organize, and I got this guy. I'm kind of here for the short nails. Okay, so it's actually the next morning now. Next morning. Bye. Because it's actually 5:20 p.m. during the day. Do you guys like the Adam Sandler fit? Bro, ever since I got this shirt, I've been wearing it every day. It's clean, I promise. Well, now it's not because I slept in it again, but you know what I'm saying? I ended up not making any content last night and just laying in my bed and rotting away.
Try not to turn too many lights on because I got a sleeping baby in there. I don't know if you can see in my bed, but there's a puppy.
I put away all this clothes last night, This is literally a bag of some like old mismatching socks because I went through like my underwear and my socks that I needed to get rid of. I actually have some extra stuff to add in here. I like donate all my clothes. I've always done that, and I really need to go through my closet again and donate more. I mean, I'm still like a very like 2000s style, like that'll never change, but it's feeling a little more classy, a little more edgy, a little more cunt, you know what I mean? My body dysmorphia recently has been crazy. Like, I have lost weight and I've been working out a lot, and my eating habits have kind of like, my dog is like, what the fuck is going on? My eating habits have changed a lot, or like fluctuated a lot. And like sometimes I'll do really good and like stay really on track of like my healthy eating, and for the majority I always do, but like I still binge eat, and I'm trying to get better with it. I don't know, I've been feeling like not as motivated for the gym, which is weird because I feel like I haven't struggled with that this past year. Like, I've just been motivated to get in the gym as much as before, and so I'm trying to get back on track. I feel like with all this new stuff going on, it's throwing me off my routine, and as like a super fucking Virgo coded woman, that stresses a bitch like me out because there's like too much going on. But like, it's never gonna change. If anything, my life is only gonna get like more fast paced, like the more you grow up, and like that's just like wow. So I started organizing like some of my makeup last night too. And this is a bag of old makeup that I'm throwing away. Oh, I'm breaking out because I stuffed my makeup. Like, it's just, why do I do this to myself all the time? Okay, so I have this thing on my desk, and I organized. Buxom sent me some lip products because I had bought one of these plumping lip creams or whatever, and then they sent me some of them and like sent me some other stuff, sent me some liners, some other gloss. Like, this gloss, literally gorgeous. So pretty. I can't wait to try this. This is the Buxom full-on plumping lip polish in Golden Dolly. Like, oh my gosh. If you're an actual makeup girl and you really use your makeup low-key gets dirty. I gotta go through and like really clean all my stuff off, especially because like I can't be having dirty ass makeup in videos. Like, that just looks gross. Got some sponges. These are from Lash 7. Go give Lash 7 some love. It's my favorite, all-time favorite lash brand. I have like contact stuff in here. This is just like a hair one, another hair one, and then this is just like random shit. I need to organize that. I really need to like actually clean up my desk too. But I went through and like organized my makeup brushes. This is literally from my sister's bridal shower. I tackled all this and like the clothes yesterday. I need to figure out a better situation for my purses because I had them hanging up on a rack and the rack broke. I don't just want them on my fucking mirror, you know. This drawer is scary, so we're gonna go through it. Wow, I just found a full pack of combs. trying to find just like a black cozy t-shirt for the gym, and this is what I pulled out. I'm gonna vacuum. Well, that wasn't intended. Should I cleanse you guys? There you go. Pretty much good to head to the gym.